What's the meaning of breadline? Breadline. Breadline.
Breadline. Breadline. The term breadline refers to a level of poverty that is so extreme that people have to queue up in order to receive basic sustenance, such as bread, in order to survive. It is a reference to the physical line or queue that would often form outside food distribution centers during times of economic hardship or crisis. The existence of breadlines was particularly prevalent during the Great Depression of the 1930s, when large numbers of people were left without work or access to basic necessities. Today, the term is primarily used as a metaphor to describe situations where people are living in extreme poverty or facing severe economic hardship.